This demonstration walks through the setup of an application filtering policy on the Sophos XG firewall. Let's take a look at an example scenario where an application control filter may be required. In this scenario, the administrator of an organization has been asked to create a filter that blocks all video streaming applications. Let's take a look at how to do this on the XG firewall. We'll start off by logging into the XG firewall. Then we'll navigate to Applications. There are three different menus that are important to us here. There's the Application List, Application Filter, and Traffic Shaping Default. Application List, as the name suggests, lists all known applications to the XG firewall, along with their respective category and risk level. Application Filter allows us to create custom filters that contain application types within them. We'll get back to these in just a second. Traffic Shaping Default categorizes various applications for the use in traffic shaping policies. Here we're able to add or remove applications from specific categories if needed by editing the policies that already exist. Let's go back to the application filter and edit one of the default filters. Here we can see all the applications covered by this filter. Let's go back and create a new filter. We'll start by clicking Add. We'll specify a filter name, and we'll set a template, in which this case is Allow All. Then we'll go ahead and click Save. The Streaming Videos filter that we created is now visible on the list of filters. Let's go ahead and edit this filter and add some applications to it. Under Category, we'll select Streaming Media. Under Risk, we'll filter down to high-risk applications. If desired, we can also filter down further, but in this case we'll leave it at that. We'll set our action to Deny and All the Time, and we'll go ahead and click Save. We've now successfully added applications to our Streaming Media Video Application filter. Now let's go ahead and put this filter into action within a firewall rule. To do this, we'll start off by navigating to Firewall. Let's click on our test rule to edit it. Scrolling down to Application Control, we'll select Streaming Videos, our newly created application filter. Just above this, we can also specify a traffic shaping policy if desired. In this case, we'll just leave it set to None. We'll go ahead and click Save to secure the changes that we've made. In this video, we successfully created a new application policy. We added filters to it, and then we went ahead and applied that application policy within an existing firewall rule.